Hey, we got some new updates for the farm since Bunkie's going to be raising turkeys for 4-H. She got 10 new baby turkeys.
10 babies.
And I got a goose, my first goose, named Bean. He's very loud already. So this is Goose, and Bunkie can pick up all 10 turkeys. So that's the newest addition to the farm. We're gonna see how these little guys do, and here's a update from the garden. Hey guys, we were working in the garden today, and we're getting our beds prepped for what we're gonna plant today, well, this year. We have 4 beds that we have covered with galvanized metal and weighed down with wood. So in here we're gonna grow some tomatoes, and then in this bed next to that bed, this one down here, this is gonna be peppers. And then here, and then in this bed, we're gonna do beets and parsley. And then one more bed, last bed here, is where we're gonna grow our melons, cucumbers, maybe a zucchini if we can convince Kayla to let us. And we have those covered to kill down any weeds that started growing so that we can plant in them. And that is the 4 beds we have covered today. And then we had like a crazy year last year, so we weren't like picking up all the runners from the strawberries and putting them back in the bed. So this entire area here is strawberries. So we're gonna have to close this area off and try and keep the strawberries in. But we got some strawberry flowers starting to grow. And yeah, the strawberries are doing really, really good. And over on this half of the garden, we didn't do weeding because we had such a busy year. But we've got, this here is our rhubarb plants, and they're going to flower already. But these big leaves, if you look back here, you can see some of the red leaves. I don't know if you can see some of the red leaves actually. I'm trying to get steady away. And that is for making my favorite kind of pie, strawberry rhubarb pie. So we got, that's, rhubarb's doing really well. Then over in the spice area, the oregano is doing crazy good, and I think that's the hyssop. And then I don't know how the St. John's wort and all the other stuff is doing, but definitely doing good over there. And then Bunkie's gonna be excited when she sees this. Over here, we have a ton of asparagus growing, and it's doing really good, and we should probably harvest it soon and eat it. We're gonna get some asparagus harvested and the rhubarb today. I don't know how much of the rhubarb I want to take because we gotta leave enough leaves for it to still grow, but these are nice and red. I want to grab this one. Ants on it. I don't want ants in there. This one looks like it's kind of down. So, harvested some rhubarb and the asparagus. We're gonna fry this up and figure out what to do with this stuff. These are the trellises that I made to let the melons climb up. We're gonna have watermelon, cantaloupe, cucumbers. Cucumbers are technically melons, and we're gonna add some fresh dirt to these beds, and so that they're nice and fresh for the melons. Oh my gosh. Trie, slow, yes, and you're losing. Bump, no, the dirt needs to be on this half of the bed. You got all the dirt over here. Okay, that one just came after. No, it was not. I carried that whole thing. Design room. This is obviously the correct brick. So last year we had a wasp nest in here, and the wood ended up rotting away. So I'm going to be replacing the original piece here with this, and screwing these boards in so that bed doesn't fall apart any further. Not sure how, I think I need to open this.